This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having a good week. So as most of you know who follow my videos, I usually will do these calls every Monday. And this week I wanted to kind of change it up and do a midweek. First, I want people to know that you can do these calls on any day of the week. The closer to the expiration, the less you'll get for them. But I thought this would be a good opportunity to do a midweek video. So let's jump into the account. And looking at the account this week, we currently have a balance of $8,835.55. So let's update our sheet. Okay guys, we did update this. New total $8,835.55. So we could see we did have a big drop from March 1st to the 8th, and then it came back on the 15th. So the count is going to fluctuate, but again, as long as we're trending up in an upward pattern, that's what we're looking for. So looking at the account, last week for Blink, we did a call that lasted for 2 weeks, so we don't have to worry about that. Orbital Energy is still going. So looking at our cash on hand, we have $4,169.96. And you know, the advantages and disadvantages of doing it on, midweek versus the beginning of the week. This Blink, I think it was up to $40, $41 or $42, something like that in the beginning of the week. It's currently dropped down to $37, $34. So it could be a good thing if we were selling the calls. But I think what we're going to do is we're just going to sell a put on Blink, because our cost basis right now is sitting at $39.92. So we can do a put since Blink has dropped pretty, a couple of dollars. Let's look at the puts for Blink. And selling puts, as always, we'll click on this drop down arrow. And we're going to go to the options chain. Puts and calls, same thing. And looking at the expiration date, since it is midweek, it's only 2 days out. And looking at these puts, Blink, it looks like it went up to 36, or actually went down to 36.26. So looking right here at the bid, it's currently at 36.26. This was the closing price yesterday. This is the current price after market trading. So at 36.26. And guys, this is good. So if if you're trading the same security, let's just say we already own it at 40 and we want to get our cost basis down. So we can sell, going up, we could sell a call, but we can also buy a put coming down. So that way, if let's just say we bought a $30 put, this is going to take our cost average. If it executed, it'll take our cost average to $35. And then that way, if it drops to 30 and if we had the cash, we could buy another put even lower, and you can keep lowering your cost basis. If it doesn't hit 30 and turn in reverses, we'll get that premium for the put, and then we can sell the call as it goes back higher. So let's look at this chain. With it being $36, I'm going to expand this. So I'm just going to click right here on all to expand it. And we don't want to take a real high risk. So let's do, it's at 36. I'm going to do the $30 call or put. So I don't want to take a lot of chances on this. If it drops, more than likely this will expire worthless. But if it drops, that will lower our cost basis pretty significantly. So looking here at the $30, this is the one we're going to select. So reading this one, guys, as always, we're selling Blink expiration the 19th in a couple days here, $30 strike price. We're selling the put option, betting that it's going to go down. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 1. We have 111 shares, but you can only do this per 100 shares. We're going to do a market order. We'll review and submit this one. Okay, guys, so that one is submitted. We did the $30, so we would have $1,169.96 left. And guys, since we have 1,100, we'll have to find a stock that's like $10 or below. But I'm thinking Orbital Energy is dropped to 571, and our cost basis is 895. So I'm gonna sell some puts on Orbital Energy. So we'll click the down arrow, go to options chain, and Orbital Energy is a monthly call option, but since this is about to expire in 2 days and it's sitting at 540, if we look at the bid, cost base is 895. I think I'm gonna sell 2 of the $5 puts. So we'll look at this one. Right now the bid is about $5, so we'll buy 2 of these. So looking at this, we're doing Orbital Energy expiration in a couple days here, $5 strike put option, sell to open. We're gonna do a quantity of 2, which is, if it's $5, that means it'll be 500 that they'll be holding, and if we do 2, that's 1,000, so that's right in our range. We're gonna do a market order and submit this order. Okay, guys, so I think we did pretty good. We had the $30 put, which is going to be $3,000, and we had 2 $500 puts on Orbital Energy, so that's a total of $4,000, which is pretty close to our total cash on hand. So again, guys, the advantages on doing it, you know, on a Wednesday is pretty close to expiration. You might get a little bit less, but there's less risk too, right? You're only a couple days out. So I think this was a good opportunity to show you guys kind of a midweek and how we'll go about doing that. So let's come back when the market opens and we'll make sure that these got executed. Okay, guys, so we did sell our puts, 2 contracts, and the Blink put 1 contract. Let's look at history. And looking at history, we sold 2 Orbital Energy and 1 Blink, both expiring on the 19th. And we got a total of $18.67 and $15.35. Okay, guys, the sheet is updated, and we ended up with a total of about about $34. So not a bad week, $34. And remember, we had the 1 put that lasted for 2 weeks, or the 1 Blink. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching. If you found any value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell. It will alert you anytime a new video is posted. And as we continue our journey to 50K. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.